This is Kieran here from Dave's Hot Vlogs. I'm doing a different type of tutorial today. This is first of the new series, Cooking with Kieran. This is going to be a new series, and first we're starting off basic with tomato and basil pasta. Let me show you what we've got. Cheese, my little twist of it, chopped garlic, cucumber, some chopped tomatoes, some pasta, hob and some peas on there. What I'm going to do, the pasta is being cooked in a different way. The tomato and basil is being cooked as normal. So first let's start with the peas. The peas aren't that much, I haven't put that much peas in because I don't really want a lot of peas. But let's just get the pasta going. Let's get the pasta in the microwave. With basics, no dog. I'm eating that raw, it's not good for you. We're going for this in a different way. Now we're going to snip water, tomato and pasta. That's all we want. We're doing it in another way though. This is the Dave's Hot Vlog flavour, I'm sure other people know it. Kettle water, microwave for 10 minutes. I know it's cutting corners, but I don't particularly want to do the washing up. Because my attitude with washing up, year 8 in school we were doing food tech, and my attitude with washing up is bad. I used to hate it. There's the fix to that. That goes in the microwave for 10 minutes, and then we go on to making the tomato and basil. Right, that goes in there for 10 minutes. Then we get on to making the tomato and basil. Put chopped tomatoes into the can. Chopped tomatoes go in. Chopped tomatoes go in the can, then you boil it. Right, so here we are guys. I hate actually doing that. Whoa, calm down, calm down. Right, so now we get on to the recipe. For the tomato and basil. Oh, this was a bit fun. Okay. So you start by adding basil obviously. Got to put basil on the table, but where's the basil? Basil. So now we add some basil into it. The chopped tomatoes have been boiling for a bit. Now we add some basil, some chopped garlic. Only a little bit. You never go too over the top of this stuff. Only a little bit. Calm down, only a little bit. There. Should be all you need. Get the wooden spoon, let them mix it in. Make sure it's mixed in good. I don't pay a lot of time on that. I won't be able to put this done in a day. I might save this in the morning for lunch. In fact, I will, because I'm not being moaned at, because my parents will be down here and I'll just be moaned at. And yeah, I want the kitchen to myself, so but I can't see any way around it, so I deal with it. So release this and slowly now. I'll see you in a minute. Right guys, now we get on to cutting the cucumber. Just set that for a second. Get the bacon to get the tray. Cheese open. Strength 4 mild cheddar. Alright, I can't describe to you guys how much I like this stuff. I like it so much I'm cutting a slice off. Yeah, got rubbish tea. It's ice and stuff's actually really nice. This ice and brand stuff's really nice. The cucumber comes from Lidl. Well, I don't really give a fuck where a cucumber comes from. A cucumber's a cucumber. I like putting some onions in this. I'm not putting it into the mix. That's all I need, and then I'll quarter that up. There you go. So good, guys. We'll put this back in the fridge. I'm tidying it as best I can. So we go on to the next part. I'll see that cheese grater ready. Right, so now we get on to the next part. The peas over there have been cooked. Let's simmer them on the video for you. Let's just do that. Why not? There's some peas. Only some peas. Don't use a ton of peas. You never need a ton of peas. This is not optional, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm just adding the peas. Very little, I know. I did say that I weren't doing a lot. I'm going to add them with a cucumber. I'm not adding it with the cheese just yet, but the peas, cucumber, all the greens are done. All the greens are ready. So we set that aside. So we'll go to the next step. Okay, see you in a minute, guys. Pasta's going to be ready soon, guys. Let's just stop it a few seconds before. Let's stop it by the switch. 1 second before I stop it. Right. It's really hot in there. Should be using oven glove for that. Where is that? On the floor. See, that's 10 minutes in the microwave and that's cooked perfectly. I don't see anything wrong with that. That pasta looks fine. So now let's strain this through quickly. Then we'll get ready for the next step. Right. Cool this down under the tap, I think, just for safety's sake. Just for the sake of safety, I'm going to let them there. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a new bowl. I'm going to put this. Oh fuck! See, you can't touch that. That's the only con of using that in the microwave. That's the only con of doing it in the microwave. So now we have a new bowl. Hold on. So now we have a new bowl. We can get this ready. Right. Let's get this set up. Let's get the tomato and basil out, the most important one. Would defeat the point if I didn't put this in. This is the master ingredient. Oh shit, that's going to fizz when oh, that didn't do it. It's the frying pans that do that. Right, now you add your veggies. There you go. There you get cheese grater. You grate some cheese on very quickly. Right, there we go guys. There it is. Now on to the boring part. Washing up.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow